Cryptocurrency has gained a lot of popularity over the past few years. The growth and adoption from individuals, merchants, investors and tech companies alike have spawned a whole new asset class that we call digital assets, also known as cryptocurrencies. As an investor or trader, it's important to study every market you intend to invest in and also understand why other people are investing in that market too. In this article you will learn about 3 altcoins that will bring out the next cryptocurrency millionaires by 2024. Read on to know more. What is an altcoin? An altcoin is a cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. There are hundreds of them, new ones are popping up all the time. You can buy and sell most of them on exchanges just like you would buy and sell stocks on a major stock exchange like the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. The term altcoin is a bit of a misnomer because most of these cryptocurrencies were created back in the early days of the Bitcoin mania. There are a few exceptions like Ethereum and Litecoin, which both came later. Apart from Bitcoin, most other cryptocurrencies are decentralized and run on a distributed network. Most cryptocurrencies are decentralized because there is no central authority that controls the currency. Instead, the currency is controlled by all the users of the network. Why do we need to know about altcoins? When it comes to investing, it's important to know what investors are buying. Just like you would want to know why someone would want to buy a house, you would want to know why someone is investing in a specific asset. Investors also love to talk about specific assets and are more likely to have an informed opinion about them. If you join the right investment communities or blogs, you can learn a lot about specific assets, get advice and ask questions. Investing in an asset is a long-term play. It's important to understand why someone would want to buy an asset like an altcoin in the first place and why people are excited about it right now. Litecoin. Litecoin is an open-source cryptocurrency created in 2011 by Charlie Lee as an improved version of the Bitcoin protocol. Its main innovation is the capability to transfer coins across networks as easily as sending an email. This is achieved through the use of a new type of mining algorithm called Script. Litecoin is also very similar to Bitcoin in that it can be used to buy goods and services, and is also an investment asset. What makes it different from Bitcoin is the speed of transaction. Compared to Bitcoin, Litecoin has a faster transaction speed. It is also more scalable than Bitcoin because it has a larger block size, 1 MB versus 1 MB for Bitcoin. This makes it suitable for everyday transactions like buying a cup of coffee or paying for web design. VeChain. VeChain is a blockchain-based platform designed to enable supply chain management, access control, and identification. It is an example of a platform that is built to solve real-world problems using the blockchain. VeChain is a blockchain-based platform designed to enable supply chain management, access control, and identification. It is an example of a platform that is built to solve real-world problems using the blockchain. VeChain uses off-chain transactions to store data. The data is then verified on the blockchain through a process called tagging. This allows businesses to track products and assets such as food, wine, and vehicles across supply chains. VeChain is designed to allow businesses to access a transparent and reliable ecosystem. It is an example of a blockchain-based system that can solve real-world problems. Cardano. Cardano is a public blockchain and cryptocurrency project launched in 2017 by the Cardano team. It's a third-generation blockchain developed with the help of academic researchers and engineers. Cardano aims to incorporate advanced features like scripted blockchain programming, decentralized governance, and open-source software. The development of Cardano occurred over a 2-year period with a focus on safety and reliability. Its team of engineers used a scientific approach to create a robust system. Cardano is the first blockchain project to be built from the ground up to deliver the kind of advanced features it has. Conclusion. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are becoming more and more mainstream. Governments are starting to get involved in regulating this new market, and exchanges are being scrutinized more closely than ever before. Investing in cryptocurrency can be very risky, but it can also be very lucrative. The key is to be patient, research the asset thoroughly, and follow sound investment strategies. With the right investment strategy and knowledge, it's possible to earn millions with cryptocurrency.